curry shrimp. How you make curry shrimp? It's pretty easy. This is some store-bought shrimp that's already shelled. All you do is cut up all your veggies and stuff that you want to use in it, which in here is just some carrots, some garlic, some green peppers, and some onions. That's all I wanted to use in my curry shrimp. And actually, my curry is not your conventional curry like everybody uses. My curry is turmeric. I'm using natural turmeric, organic turmeric for my curry. It's very healthy. So all I did was I get all the shrimp cleaned up, and oh yeah, I'm cooking it in avocado oil. So I got the shrimp cleaned up and put a little bit of seasoned salt, or I should say garlic salt on it, with a little bit of Old Bay and a little black pepper and a little bit of my Jamaican secret sauce. And put the oil in the pot first, then you pour a bit of turmeric in the oil and let it simmer a little bit. Then you pour the shrimp in the turmeric, and then after that I'm gonna put all my chopped veggies on top of the shrimp. Just like that. And press these babies into each other. A lot of people don't like to use a fork. I like to use my fork because I'm a pro chef. Alright. That's it right there. Like, all I gotta do now is pour like a quarter cup of water on it and let it simmer and let my shrimp get tender, and when they get tender, it's ready. So there you have it, Jamaican style curry shrimp.